Good morning students. Today we will learn one of the basic feature of MS PowerPoint, that is hyperlink. For time to time you may go in progress to that have link to another resource like another slide presentation or a document or a website. If you click on any hyperlink added text, your slide can open any resources. So how can you do this? Hyperlink to the existing document or any file which is have in your PC, let's say video file, Word file, Excel, PowerPoint, you can hyperlink to that text to your document itself. If you want to open a Word file, if once click here, if you want to open a Word file, and if you once click here option, then your Word file will open. That is a hyperlink. If you want to open a video file or if you click on this picture, then your video will open. That is the hyperlink. Now for that, one document I saved in desktop, I will show to you. That is my speech, my word speech. That is my document name. Okay. Now I will create the hyperlink to that document. Okay, you can see. For that, first you have to select here. Now I am giving here to click here text. To the click here text, I am giving hyperlink. Now select this click here option. Then go in insert tab, and in a insert tab, here is a one option, that is the hyperlink. Click on that option. Your dialog box will open. Now you have to open that file. What is the file name? MS Word Speech. My file name is MS Word Speech. It is my file name. Click on that and then OK. Then this text will get hyperlink. Link to that document. Okay. Now suppose if you open this slideshow, click on the slideshow from beginning. Now you can see, suppose I will click here option, then your automatic Word document will open. In this way, you can hyperlink to the text. Now, how to hyperlink to the video? You can select here on this picture. For that, I want, suppose I am clicking on this picture, that time automatic that video will open. I want to that's why I am selecting this. Go in insert tab, click on hyperlink, and in a desktop only I saved that path is in a desktop only, my file is there, video is there. Now I am selecting that video. Now I am selecting this video, wildlife, and then click on OK. And then you have to do slideshow from beginning. Suppose you will click here on click here option, automatic your document will open because of hyperlink. And if you will click on this picture, automatic your video will open. In this way, you can see your video is open. It is the benefit of hyperlink. Okay, students. You just see, students, while running a slideshow, if you click on this hyperlink, you will be automatically taken to a defined address, and it show the your whatever you saved link, that address it will show on your desktop. Okay. Now second one is the inserting action button. For inserting action button, we will take here blank document, okay, blank sheet. Okay. Now an action button is a special type of auto shape that creates a button on a slide. User can define the action to be done by the button when clicked. During the presentation, when the user clicks the button, PowerPoint performs the action defined by the user for the button. You can assign both a shape for the button and an action to be taken when the user clicks the button. Action for a button can be activating a hyperlink, running a program, running a macro, or playing a sound. So one by one we will see. Now first we will create a blank sheet. Here now go to the shapes option. It is a blank sheet and you have to go in the insert option. In a insert option you will get here in a illustration group, shapes option is here. Just you have to click on this tiny arrow, and after that you can see here in this arrow you will get downside different action button. Okay student, these are the action button. It is the action button back or previous, action button, the name of this button. Suppose if you will move your mouse, you can see here the name of that button is there. Okay, action button home, action button end, action button information, like this. It is the name of that action button. You just click, take any button. Now I am selecting one button and you have to just drag it here in this way. Automatically your box will come, dialog box will open here. If you will observe here, you will get this. If you click on these buttons are specially designed for the specific action, and pick up any button and draw it here. Once I draw it, automatically dialog box will come. Earlier I had drawn the images, then go to the insert and then click on the action. Here once I draw button, automatically window comes. Now here is the two option. One is the mouse click and second one is the mouse over. Now how to get action with mouse clicks I already explained previously. Now I am just clicking here on mouse over. After that click on hyperlink option. Then you have to go here in arrow. In this arrow, here is a other file. In other file, here also I am taking that only. Document, my speech. MS Word speech I am taking here now. Click here and click on OK. Then you will get here specific path and click on OK. Now you can see it will see in the slideshow. from beginning. Now if you move your mouse pointer over here, here is message coming here, one message is coming here. Click on just yes, and your that link, whatever you link, that document will open. In this way you can hyperlink to the document, or it is work like a action button. Okay, it is a action button. Next is the, now I am showing to you, you can see second one is the sound. Second one is the sound, how to link with sound, how to play the sound here. Now again you have to click on the insert tab. In the insert tab, shape option is there. In the shape option you can take any shape. Just I am taking here this and drag it. In this way automatic this dialog box will open when you drag. Now sound I am taking here, any sound, breeze, and click on OK. Now again slideshow, go to the slideshow from beginning. Now I am moving my mouse pointer over here. You can see maybe sound is not more. From beginning. In this way sound is coming. Okay. It is the work of mouse, sorry, it is the work of action button.